Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, so today I am doing a thrift with me type video haul, and I was just going to give you some pointers on how to maximize your thrifting experience. We are in the Charlotte area, and this is my first time going to the Goodwill. We're in the Valentine area, so let's see what we can find. Don't target the affluent areas only, guys. So we're out of that first one. They didn't really have like a whole lot. I was expecting a lot more because this area is like a really affluent area in Charlotte. So, but we did see a couple of those name brand items. So tip number 2, call ahead to see if it's the day for extra savings. All right guys, so we're at another popular thrift store in Charlotte area. We're in the Value Village. So we're just gonna go in here and check out and just see if we can find anything. This might be our last one for today, and then I could go to a few more in the area. There's a lot in Charlotte, so I'll definitely be able to check out a few different other ones just to see like on different days what different items can be found. So guys, come along with me. Okay, so this brings me to tip number 3. Find items that you can flip for money on sites like eBay, Poshmark, Facebook Marketplace. So I definitely had my eye on a couple of things while I was going through this section, just to see like what I could actually flip for a little cash. I didn't end up buying anything, but they did have these really cool teacups. You guys, I should have got it. They were 40 cents. All right guys, so that was actually a pretty good run. That Value Village had a lot of stuff. We didn't even really get to all, well, we pretty much saw all the stuff. They had a lot of coats and stuff like that there too. And then they have a 50% off sale coming up next Wednesday, so I may try to come back then. But they did have the tags that showed you like what an additional percentage off would be for certain I think it was like green tags was 50% off, and then pink tags were 75% off. I'll show you guys once I get home the couple items I did get. It was mostly just like for me and a couple things for the kids. Alrighty.
A few moments later.
All right guys, so it is the next day, and you guys, we ended up going into the evening, and then we had the whole nighttime routine, so I wasn't able to film last night. But you guys, I am just like recapping my experience. Overall, I think it was a fail / success, only because I didn't get a lot of like gold mine type pieces. But you know, I did learn more about the area and figure out who's having sales and what days, so I can plan my thrift trips if possible around that. Maybe I could run out in the evening time and just try to grab a few deals when things are like 50% off, 75% off. There are a lot of thrift stores in the Charlotte area, so that's cool. I'll be able to try out some different ones and keep you guys posted on what I found. Here are just like a couple of things. I am going to, I only got a couple of things, y'all. Okay, so I did find these like pair of jeans. They're like high-waisted jeans. They are from Forever 21. Okay. So they just kind of have like this line going down. I don't know how these are gonna work because they seem to be like a little big, and I lost weight, but I'm still like trying to find like my new size, I guess. So I just be getting things that are still probably too big, but yeah. So I'm gonna try these on. But you guys, these pants was only $5, so not bad for $5. And the last thing that I got was my husband literally was calling this like, he talking about oh, hold on you guys, I need to flip this around. He was calling this like, he said it's been in somebody's attic. He don't know how to thrift. Okay, so he was my cameraman. So y'all give him a little grace. He's still trying to figure out how to be a good blogger husband. So all of our shots aren't perfect, but he'll get better at it. All right, let's see. But he said this was in somebody's attic. What do y'all think? What size is this even? This is an extra large, which I don't mind. I like loose fitting. I will wear crew neck sweatshirts. I will wear men's sweatshirts. I'll be trying to wear my husband's sweatshirts. But look, it's a cat. I honestly think this is perfect for like any ugly Christmas sweater type thing. I don't know. I would wear it. I mean, I wouldn't wear it to like meet Barack Obama, but I would wear it to like an ugly Christmas sweater party at work or at somebody's house. You know what? I think my mom is doing one. I'll probably wear it there. Shoot. And this thing was only $3.50. Okay. And I'm ready to party. Maybe I'll put my little, I don't know. I don't know. I would put this on with some jeans and my little booties and call it a day. Like, I mean, some accessories. And I'm like, cat sweaters. So I'm going to try this on. You guys, thanks so much for watching. This is my very first come thrift with me video. Like I said, there will be other thrift with me type videos and other hauls on this channel, so just hang out. This is an overall lifestyle channel. I'm basically just like bringing you guys into my world as a, you know, millennial, like parent and spouse and person, just person. At the end of the day, I'm me first. So you guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hating on my sweater, man. Okay guys, so here's the sweater. It's not jeans. High-waisted jeans, look. I mean, these are a little bit too big. Cause you know, usually like high-waisted, you want them to be like up snatched. And you can see like this here, so that lets me know a little big, but look at this. You know, put these in, wait. I probably would wear this Sherpa. This Sherpa material though is trending. Let's see. I probably wouldn't wear it with these jeans, but can you guys see this? Come up closer. Just because of the reflection. A whole cat. You know what? I think this might be a llama. Is this a cat or a llama, y'all? I don't know. So